Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei GT3 watch with a Samsung phone. First, activate Bluetooth on your Samsung device through its settings menu. Next, download the official Huawei Health app, which is essential for managing your watch. You can find it on the Huawei App Gallery or a reputable app store. Make sure to accept all permission requests during installation for full functionality and smooth operation. Once the Huawei Health app is open, tap on the Devices tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, select Add Device and then locate your Huawei GT3 in the displayed list. A pairing request will then appear on both your watch and your phone. Simply confirm this request on both devices. This establishes the initial wireless connection between them very effectively. For your Huawei GT3 to receive calls and notifications, you must grant the Huawei Health app specific permissions. Navigate to your phone's app settings and enable access for notifications, contacts, and location services. This step is crucial for the watch's full smart features to operate correctly and without interruptions. Always check the app to ensure your activity data is syncing smoothly now. With your devices connected, dive into the Huawei Health app to personalize your watch. You can choose from hundreds of watch faces to match your style or adjust which apps send notifications to your wrist. Also, customize health monitoring settings like continuous heart rate measurement or sleep tracking. Regularly check for firmware updates within the app to unlock new features and improvements, enhancing your user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.